everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got super exciting topic which is designing patterns in Canva. So as you know, I have been making videos on Canva to show you guys how you can create unique designs for your business or your social media. And you can also turn it into a profitable business if you start selling on Etsy. That is a whole different topic in itself, but I will continue to show you how you can create designs to sell, and then later on I can move on to this topic where I can show you how you can set up your Etsy shop and search for keywords which are less competitive. Let's get started. So I'm on Etsy right now and gonna search patterns digital print table, and it will give me a lot of results. So these are all the patterns, and we are gonna have a look at the shops which are selling this and how much sales they have made. So let's check them out. You see that there is a lot of competition in a lot of niches over there, but with right keywords you can definitely go ahead and find the niche that you would like to work in. But let's focus on patterns today. So see, this particular store has made over 80,000 sales, which is quite huge. And you see, like, the shop is all about patterns, so they have been selling these patterns. So it's all about patterns. So I can show you another shop, and this one has made about 3,000 sales. So this shows that these patterns are a good niche, but definitely there's a lot of competition. But it also depends on the design that you create, and if your designs are unique, people will definitely go ahead and purchase them. Let's hop on to our design creation process. So go in Canva and take a square size. So you can just select an Instagram post and that will give you the square size. We're gonna go to element and search for any pattern. So you can go for any pattern. I'm taking flowers here, and then I'm gonna go to graphics. There's a lot of graphics that are free, and in my tutorials I only use the free graphics that are available, so you can also use them. So I've taken these flowers and then I'm just copying it all around and trying to copy it on the whole canvas. I'm gonna fast forward it. So you see I've been copying this on the whole canvas. So I've copied it, made multiple copies of it and arranged it all on the canvas. For your reference, I'm gonna start making another pattern, which is again gonna be a flower pattern. So I'm just taking this one and I'm gonna fast forward this one as well. But you know the process now, that what you have to do. So this is the first step in this process. So let's get moving. So our design is almost ready. We are going to go ahead, click on share, and gonna download it in a PNG format. And once we download it, we will move on to our next step. Now we will again go and take the same size, so Instagram post, and we are here. So we gonna go to elements again and then search for shapes, and we'll go to frames, and there we'll take our square size. And then what we have to do is we'll just spread it across half of the canvas that we have, and then copy it and move the other one other half on the other side, like this. Once we have our frame ready, we are going to upload the design that we have created previously. So we're gonna drop it on both the frames, and we'll download this design as well. This is where our second step gets completed. So we'll move on to our third step. Now you know the steps to get this frames. So we're gonna go ahead and get this 4 picture frame in square size. It's not necessary to take the square shape or size. You can go with rectangle or any shape, size, pattern that you want to create and sell on Etsy or anywhere else. But for an example, I'm going to take this one. This is the last step of our design creation process, and we are going to upload the file that we have created, and we will drop it in all the frames. If you want to change the margin or border color, you can change it. And if you don't want any margins or borders, you can just take a new frame and spread it out to hide the border or margin. Our last step gets completed here. So this is your final pattern or design. You can create it in any shape or size that you would like and start selling. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.